In today's video, I'm going to show you how to QRT X, formerly Twitter, using the quote repost feature in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to add your own comment to someone else's post, share your opinion, or give context while still keeping the original tweet attached. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the X app or go to x.com in your browser and find the tweet you want to quote repost. This can be any public post that you want to add your thoughts to. Once you found the tweet, look directly underneath it for the row of action icons. What you want to click is the repost icon. This is the icon that looks like two repeating arrows. It's usually located right under the tweet, alongside the reply, like, and share buttons. When you click it, a small menu will appear with different repost options. From that menu, select Quote. This is the option that lets you QRT the tweet instead of just reposting it as is. When you choose Quote, X will open a new post composer with the original tweet attached at the bottom. This is where you can write your own message above it. Now type your comment in the text box. You can add your opinion, reaction, explanation, or any extra context you want your followers to see. Keep it clear and relevant, because this is what people will read first before they look at the original tweet you're quoting. You can also tag someone, add emojis, or include hashtags if that fits your post. Once your comment is ready and you're happy with how it looks, simply click Post. X will publish your quote repost, and it will appear on your profile with the original tweet attached underneath your comment. That's it. You've successfully QRT'd a tweet on X. If you want to quote repost again later, just repeat the same process, click the repost icon, choose quote, type your comment, and click post. It's really that simple once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fast and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.